Hey everybody, it's Sarah. I went and hunted down 26 different crochet bookmark patterns that are completely free, and I want to share them with you. Then I got inspired and I made one of my own, so technically there's 27, so stick around to see mine. All right, so first of all, these cupcakes, this cupcake pattern right here is adorable. The little cupcake sits on top of the book, and then you got the little tassel hanging out. And I don't know if you've ever seen these 3D bookmarks before, but they're seriously so cute. That's the kind mine is, just so you know. This frog is also really adorable. The frog head sits up on the book, and then you just lay the frog down. It's totally cute. This little mushroom is, again, very cute, the little mushrooms. I love the ones where the mushroom sits on top of the book. I think that's the cutest thing ever. Okay, those are honestly my favorite. Not all of them in this video are that kind, but some of them. And this is one of them that is honestly one of my favorites. Need I say more? Look at this bee. And look at the little flower that hangs down. And you can see it gives you a little preview of what it's gonna look like. You see the little picture with the bee right there? It's so adorable. Sitting on top of the book, so cute. This flower bookmark is also very cute. You just put the stem in between the pages and then the flower hangs out. This is a bookworm and it's so cute. It looks like it's just like a little spiral and then the other end is an apple. And I think they just glued googly eyes. God, say that 5 times fast. Glued googly eyes to it. Depending on what time of year, I mean, it doesn't have to be Christmas because no one said gnomes have to be for Christmas. The gnome is super cute. Okay, this gnome is adorable. And the little hat just goes up. I think it's so cute. And I personally love sunflowers, so I was partial to this. And again, the stem just goes right in between the pages. These cute rose pattern, I also think was very cute. It was different. I love the stems. I love the leaf on the stems that come down. I really like this pattern. This pencil right here would be a great gift for any teacher. So if you got a good teacher in your kids' life, this would be a good gift. Lavender, who doesn't love lavender? I love this pattern. I need to start making more lavender things because I kind of go off whenever I see anything lavender. But I love this pattern. I think it'd be really cute. This little daisy chain pattern is also adorable, very dainty. I could see my mother using this. This bunny one, I think they call it the reading rabbit, was also very adorable, just like the frog. Be great for a kid. Again, I think it's all a part of the same series, the bunny and the giraffe. Very cute. I'm pretty sure that that is not tapestry crochet. I'm pretty sure those are just little patches that they just have either glued or crocheted on. This rainbow one, first of all, it looks very easy to make. Second of all, it is very cute. Like I told you, all of these are really cute and I found the best ones that I thought were the best. These are all my favorites, okay? They're all my favorites. I love this bookmark. I had to find some also traditional kind of ones. And this one is like little X's in there. I thought it was really cute. You could do this in so many different colors. I think this one is a good one to do just because it's also a really good stitch to make. I think everyone should know how to do this stitch. This is another good stitch that everyone should know how to make, the Zig Zag. I think it's also a really good stitch that everyone should know how to make, and why not turn it into a bookmark? The Chevron one is another good stitch that everyone should make. What a good way to practice, right? Practice learning to make the chevron or the wave or the zigzag or whatever and turn them into bookmarks. Okay, this one, this mustache one got me. This one had me rolling, and it is a different kind of pattern. It is a tapestry pattern, but it looks fairly simple to do. You just gotta know when to change colors, and oh my gosh, I had a cow when I saw this. I thought this was really funny, adorable. I love it. This one you put ribbon in, so you could honestly customize this any way you wanted. If it was like a birthday or Christmas or whatever you wanted to, you could put any kind of ribbon you wanted to, and I love it when you can customize things. This owl one I thought was a really clever idea, and I'm probably gonna end up making this, but I thought this was a really clever idea because I've never seen it before. It's very unique. I really love it. I think it's so unique and something you wouldn't see every day. This one is also very clever. It comes with a pen holder, so it's just a strap that goes around the pages to separate your pages so you can mark your place, and then it comes with a little pen holder. Smart. I love it when crochet has a function. And this Celtic Cross one I also thought was very nice. I love the design. I'm not sure if you just do one long chain and just kind of weave it together or what, but I honestly think it probably looks more complicated than it is. I feel like that's with a lot of things. It has held me back so many times from trying new projects because I thought it was going to be more complicated than it really was, and then I tried it and I felt like a fool for not trying it all those years. So honestly, don't let the design intimidate you. Just go try it. Okay, this rat is just funny. Oh no, this is a mouse, rat, whatever. It's cute. It just flattened out. Looks like it. I think it'd be really cute when the book is on it because it would just look with his arms all out like that. It just looks like he's like, it's cute. I think it's funny. Sorry. Okay, and this dragon one is also really cool. I could see if you got any boy readers in your life, especially there's some dragon books that are really good, like the Aragon books. This would be really cute. Okay, and last but not least, this is my chicken. I did a little chicken on top with the little egg coming down. So you just put the okay, I think it's the cutest thing ever. This is my design. Go check it out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I can't even decide which one was my favorite, okay? Like I said, I found all the best ones and shoved them all into this video, so I hope you enjoyed it. Everything will be linked down into the description, whether it is a written or video or whatever it is, but they're all free. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Get to crocheting. Bye.